Hi, today I'm reviewing the Urban Decay Double Team Special Effects Mascara. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money, so you know you can trust my opinion is what I honestly believe. And I just want to thank everyone for their support of the channel. As always, check the Amazon link below to check out my products. And just a genuine thank you guys so much. I was very impressed with your support and keep the channel going. So thank you guys. So Urban Decay has entered the fun coloring mascara arena, I guess I should say.
If I die in that arena, my last thought will be of your lips.
MAC kind of popularized it, and several brands have colored mascaras. NYX has one as well. I think Lorax has one. So a lot of different brands have them, and they're difficult to pull off. Butter London had one that I reviewed, and that was brutal. That one was, it was a gold color.
I love gold!
And it just, there was no payoff at all. YSL has one now, which is decent, and Urban Decay now has come out, and they've kind of done it a little differently. They've got a cream color.
That's the cream. That explains why I went down cream.
Base coat. And the color I have here is Deep End. They've got blue. They've got, this is one more, is more teal. They've got purple. They've got a gold one. So they've got a cream base coat and then a special effect, which is a more metallic kind of top coat, which you could put all over your lashes or just on the tips or on the bottom lashes. So they've done a little differently, put their own twist on it, which is kind of fun. So let me let you guys know what my thoughts are of this. First of all is packaging. And
what about the package?
And they've done a very nice job packaging. I like that one tube, but you kind of get two different colors almost with one, and pretty sleek packaging. So overall, it's pretty decent. So I gave it a thumb up there. Number 2 is alcohol.
Do you think that doing alcohol is cool?
And there is no denatured alcohol in this, which is difficult to do with some of those colored mascaras, because so many of the colored ones I've tried, most of them had denatured alcohol in them, and a lot of them had fragrance. So thankfully there's no denatured alcohol in this. And number 3 is fragrance.
What's that smell? I know.
And thankfully there's also no scent to this at all, no fragrance, which is a good thing, especially around your eyes, especially if you have sensitive eyes or contact lenses. So it's a good thing. Number 4 is the manufacturing location.
We made it for you.
And this is made in Italy, so no issues there. Number 5 is ease of use.
That was easy.
And this is pretty easy to use, but I must say, to get a good color payoff, you either need a very thick or a very good primer, or my other thing I've been doing is applying it over a black mascara. That seems to be what helps it the most, because otherwise it's almost like it's too light on your eyelashes. So I've got my favorite eye mascara right now on, which is the Buxom, not the waterproof version. So I'm going to apply this over that so you guys can kind of see what it looks like and how it applies. So let me do that. And I'm going to start out with the cream. And as you can see, it adds a little bit onto the undercoat, or I almost use the Buxom mascara as the primer, really. But it works best if you apply this over a black mascara, I find. So, so there is that on one eye. And then I'm going to go and apply it on the other eye now. And I'm doing the cream side. And does a decent job. The brush is nice. It's not too out of control. It doesn't make it very goopy, so you get a nice fine coat. So it does lengthen the lashes a little bit, gives you the color, and does a little bit of definition, which is nice. It's hard to find a good mascara brush, in my opinion. So this one has a good one, though. Okay, so I've got the cream coat on. And then I'm going to go out and apply the special effects coat, which you want to wait a couple seconds after the cream coat dries, maybe 30 seconds or so, which is enough in between. So, and then the special effects coat, which is metallic, you can just apply it to the end of your lashes, or you can apply it to the bottom, or you can apply it to the whole thing. Just depends on what look you're going for and kind of what eyeshadow you have underneath too. But I like to apply it just to the tips of the lashes because it gives a little bit of a sparkly metallic look, and your entire lashes don't look sparkly metallic though, so. But a little bit of this goes a long way, so I only dip it in there once. But pretty fun. I like all the different color options they have. So I don't know if you can get a close-up of it on there, but when you're close up to someone, you can definitely tell. And also, it depends on kind of what eyeshadow they're wearing as well, how much of a pop it gets. I'm wearing the NYX new Halo eyeshadow underneath. So anyway, I'll also put a picture in this so you guys can see what it looks like close up. But for eyeshadow, I'm wearing the NYX Holographic Halo yellow and the blue colors. So I'm wearing that underneath it, which I find gives a little bit of a pop. So, but ease of use, it's just easy to use, as easy as any other mascara. So number 6 is antioxidants and pigmentation, and there's no real antioxidants in there. And the pigmentation is decent. You definitely build it up with several swipes, but no issues there at all. It's pretty pigmented for a colored mascara. So number 7 is animal testing.
If there's going to be any animal testing, I'm going to do it.
And thankfully, Urban Decay is cruelty-free and mostly vegan. However, these mascaras, many of the colors contain carmine, so they're not vegan. Most of the colors have that in there. So, but cruelty-free they are. Number 8 is performance.
You perform or die!
And this lasts all day. I want to say it's almost a waterproof type formula. It's snowing here in Minnesota, and it's spring supposedly. So my face got quite wet yesterday, and I had no smudging or smearing or anything like that. So that's awesome. So the performance is there. Price.
What's the price you pay?
It's $24, which in my opinion is decent for any prestige brand mascara, let alone the fact that you get 2 different colors with 2 different effects. So pretty decent. And then number 10 is the It Factor.
Oh, cool. What is it?
And so far, this product got thumbs up on every criteria. This is the one where I'm not going to give it a thumb up. They're a little bit late to the game for the colored mascara. This was way more popular about a year ago. But the other thing is, the only thing I really didn't like about it is that it's hard to remove because it is kind of a waterproof type mascara. Yesterday I used a micellar cleanser, then I used a face cleanser. That didn't remove it. Then I used coconut oil, and finally I used a specific mascara remover. So it was about 4 different cleansers I used on this, and finally by the 4th one it all kind of came off. But in all of those steps I lost about 3 eyelashes, which is not a good thing. You don't want to lose it. You want to keep as many as you can and as long as you can. So that was a little bit of a bummer. The coconut oil seemed to do the best, but usually oil-based face cleansers do a good job of removing eye makeup. So finally, I think it was the Clinique Take the Day Off balm that ended up removing the rest of it. But each step got a little bit off, but not all of it. So I just don't like losing eyelashes. So for that reason, I probably won't use this on a regular basis. But if you use a waterproof mascara on a daily basis and have a great cleanser, you probably won't have as many of these issues. But I hate seeing any eyelash loss, and especially to see 3 of them in one day was scary and sad. But anyway, I'm sure there's some better cleansers, or perhaps had I just started out on those days with the Clinique. I think I did that one yesterday, and that seemed to be the best. So I've tried several different ones. That one worked the best. The coconut oil worked pretty good, but played around with it over the uses of these, and for that reason I probably won't use this on a regular basis, but it's probably just more of a special day, special look mascara anyway. So but if you guys have any suggestions of a really good mascara or remover, let me know. I really don't use waterproof mascara a lot anyway, usually only on days I'm swimming or things like that. So anyway, but overall it's got a 9 out of 10, which is great. So I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to check this out yet or not, and if so, what your thoughts were. And what color did you get? The other color, Gonzo, that looked fun. I love Gonzo. He was so cute. So anyway, so leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Feel free to subscribe if you're not already. I come out at least one new review every day. And check out nobsbeauty.net and the Amazon link below. Thank you so much, guys.